Okay, let's jump right into it. We've got a huge development breaking at the intersection of AI and biotech, one that could seriously reshape our future with technology.
And listen, this isn't just another funding round or a minor update. We're talking about a partnership that could fundamentally change the very way you interact with technology on a daily basis.
So here's the headline. On January 15th, 2026, OpenAI announced it's investing in a brand new brain-computer interface company called Merge Labs. This is a massive signal about where the future of human-AI interaction is headed.
So what exactly is a brain-computer interface, or a BCI? Well, put simply, it's technology that creates a direct communication link between a person's brain and an external device, like a computer or, in this case, an AI.
So, why does this matter, right? Why is a huge player like OpenAI suddenly investing in a direct link to our brains? The answer goes way beyond the keyboard.
There's a core idea from the announcement that just puts it perfectly. Progress in interfaces enables progress in computing. Think about it. Every time we find a more direct way to tell a computer what we want, the technology becomes exponentially more powerful. And this really shows the gigantic leap we're talking about. I mean, right now, our interfaces are indirect. They're clunky. We have to translate our thoughts into physical actions, typing, clicking, speaking. The promise of BCI is a direct, seamless connection that operates literally at the speed of thought. And this isn't some sci-fi fantasy that's just appeared out of nowhere. It's actually part of a really clear historical line. We went from command lines, which only a few people could use, to the mouse and graphical interfaces, which made computers visual. Then came the touchscreen and voice assistants, making them personal and always on. BCI is being framed as the next logical step in that journey.
So that brings us to the company right at the heart of all this. Who in the world is Merge Labs?
Well, their mission is nothing short of breathtakingly ambitious. They want to bridge biological and artificial intelligence. And why? To maximize human ability, agency, and experience. This is about elevating what it means to be human in the age of AI.
And the team they've put together to chase this vision? It's an absolute powerhouse. You've got pioneering researchers working on totally new BCI approaches, alongside seasoned tech entrepreneurs who know how to build things. And yeah, Sam Altman's personal involvement really underscores how much conviction there is in this venture.
So, the billion-dollar question, how are they actually planning to connect our brains to AI? Let's break down their approach because it's pretty fascinating.
The entire effort really boils down to two key goals. First, and this is totally non-negotiable, it has to be safe. Second, it needs to operate at a much higher bandwidth. I mean, think about the difference between old-school dial-up internet and the fiber optic connection you have today. That's the kind of jump in speed they're trying to achieve. Their whole strategy for getting there rests on three core pillars. First, they're combining deep insights from biology. Second, they're engineering completely new kinds of devices to actually interface with the brain. And third, they're using AI to weave it all together and make it work.
And that's the crucial part. AI isn't just the end goal here. It's also the vehicle. It's the tool they're going to use to accelerate the research and development across all these different complex fields.
It all hinges on this core concept they're calling an AI operating system. The best way to think about it is like a master translator. It's an AI that's specifically designed to interpret what you intend to do, adapt personally to you, and do it reliably, even with the messy, noisy signals coming from the brain.
Okay, so what does this all add up to? Let's connect all these pieces and really look at the bigger picture here for what this means for the future of, well, intent itself.
This partnership is so much more than just a check being written. It's a deep collaboration that's meant to speed up progress on the fundamental AI models needed for science. Basically, the advanced tools required to solve a challenge this massive. And let's be clear, this is not just some academic research project that's going to sit in a lab forever. The stated ultimate goal is to turn this wild idea into a reality and eventually into actual products that are useful for everyday people. They're building a bridge from the lab directly to our lives.
So, we'll leave you with this to chew on. What happens to everything, our work, our creativity, our relationships, when technology can understand your intent before you even open your mouth to speak? The world might be about to find out.